Gautam Buddha's childhood life was spent in luxury. He had all the things in his life so that he could lead a good life. But even after getting all that, he was not satisfied with all those things. His mind was always distracted to know the truth. That truth was the ultimate truth of life. Mahatma Buddha left his home to know everything. After this, there were many changes in his life, and we can learn a lot of them. That is why we bought some such stories of Mahatma Buddha life. This story will definitely bring a change in your life. So let's start. Once a beggar was upset with his life because he had to beg to run his life. He had to beg for everything. He would remain unhappy about this and thought about how his life would change, thinking that he would be disappointed. Every day he would see that many frustrated people with tears in their eyes and troubled by various worries, were going towards Mahatma Buddha, and they were very happy while returning. That beggar could not understand that Mahatma Buddha used to do to them so that they would become very happy while returning. There was neither a lot of money in their hands of the people, nor gold or nor silver. Then what happened that people were very happy while returning from Buddha? Thinking all this, the beggar also decided that he too will go to Mahatma Buddha and see what is happening there, that unhappy people go to him and become happy. He walked to meet Buddha where Buddha was present. There was a very long line, so that beggar also decided to join in the line. He started waiting for his turn. His turn came and he reached near Buddha. He said to Buddha, Buddha, I am very poor. I have nothing. I have to beg others even to run my life. Now you tell me that how can I live my life and how can I do it better? On hearing all this, the Buddha said, you are not poor. You think so because till date you have never done anything for anyone. Either you have Either have you even donate anything to anyone, nor have you done anything for other. Hearing all this, the beggar was in thought process. To solve his confusion, the beggar asked, I am a beggar. How can I donate to people and help people? I have to ask other I have to ask others to run my own life. After hearing all this, Gautam Buddha kept quiet for a while and then said to him, you have a hand with which you can serve people and do good for others. Also you have mouth so that you say good things and encourage others. You can help others by doing all this. It is not necessary that donation be made only with money. It can also donate education if you want. If the God has given someone a perfect good body, then he is not poor. He is simply poor in mind. He should move always from his thought and serve other. After listening to all these things of Buddha, that beggar became very happy and his mind was satisfied now. So the moral of the story is we all waste time worrying that we are poor, but this is not true. The truth is that as long as our body is completely better, we can use it to move forward and improve our life. If a person just pay attention to his poverty and does not try to change it, then he is a fool. Apart from this, we also learn from this story that donation, not only money, education, food, good thoughts, etc., should also be made. If you do not have money, you can educate others, or you can also share good thoughts to others. This makes society better. Thanks. If you like this story, please comment. This will give motivation to me. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel, share the video. Thanks.